Hello and welcome to the section 4 of the course Cross-Site Request Forgery Attacks or CSRF. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. We will learn about cross-site request forgery attack, how to perform it, and what are the various mitigation techniques available. Now let's start with the video CSRF attack overview. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We will learn about what is CSRF attack and how attacker can perform CSRF. So now let's talk about the CSRF attack. So you can see that in this attack, attacker tricks victim's browser to execute unwanted actions. Yes, so in this attack, basically attacker sends malicious link to the user. So when user clicks on the particular link, the script executes in the browser of the victim, and that's how it can execute various unwanted actions. So that is CSRF attack. Now we will learn the actual process of CSRF, that how attacker can trick user to execute unwanted actions inside the browser. So this is the scenario. First of all, on the left hand side, attacker is available. In the middle, customer is available. On the right hand side, a server is available. So first of all, customer is authenticated with the server. For example, if it is a bank server, so customer has logged in inside the website and he's authenticated. This is the scenario. Now what attacker will do, in first step you can see attacker is trying to send the malicious link. Now how attacker can send malicious link? With the help of mail and various kind of social engineering techniques. So attacker has sent a malicious link to the customer. Now customer has clicked on that link. In the second step you can see here, when customer has clicked, customer has redirected to the attacker's website or malicious website. Now when he visits the malicious websites, a script automatically executes in the browser of the customer. And with the help of that script, attacker can perform unwanted actions in the browser. This is the scenario of CSRF, right? So first of all, authentication is there with the server, customer and the server. Then attacker tricks the user to access a particular malicious website. With the help of that malicious websites, the customer downloads the script, and that script automatically executes in the browser of the customer. And with the help of that script, attacker can perform malicious actions. This is called CSRF. Now I will give you an example that how attacker can do that. For example, if customer is authenticated with a bank server. So we are taking an example here. So this is a basic query. For example, if customer wants to send $1,000 to account P1. So this is customer and this is the whole request. http:// the bank name, then transfer, account in which you are trying to transfer. So account is P1, amount $1,000. So this is a basic query to transfer the fund to another person's account. Now what attacker can do, I already told you that attacker can send a malicious link. So when customer will click on that link, the customer will redirect to the fake website, and with the help of that fake website, attacker can execute script in the browser of the customer, right? So now what attacker can do, attacker can actually manipulate this query, and attacker can change the account name, and attacker can simply replace P1 with the attacker's account. So that attacker can do. Attacker can also change the amount. So you can see in the first request, which is a basic request, the customer is trying to send the money to the P1 account, and in the second you can see attacker has manipulated the query, and now because user is not aware about it, but attacker has manipulated it, and now money is going into the attacker's account. Now how it is possible? Because what attacker can do, when user is authenticated with the bank server, so attacker can send a mail to the customer with this link, and when customer will click on that link, the amount will automatically deduct from the customer's bank and will send the amount to the attacker's account. So various kind of hyperlinks can be used. For example, in email you can send this kind of link, href equal to, this is the whole request, account equal to attacker, amount equal to this, and click here. So basically it will look like link. When customer will click on that link, this request will generate and the amount will be deducted from the customer. This is called CSRF attack. I hope you have learned that how attacker can actually perform CSRF attack when user is authenticated with the original server.